Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to revert back to the old YouTube layout or UI in 2022. Now I know that this video might not be in 2023, but I can say that this video is brand new. So I've been hearing recently that most people were complaining about this UI, like how the route edges and how the dislike count is hidden. Well, that's going to be for another time. I'm going to be showing you guys how to re-enable the YouTube discount count. But for right now, I'm going to teach you guys how to revert back to the old YouTube layout or UI. So first thing you want to do is go here. Now you're gonna need these two links from the description. Now I'm gonna link these two down below. And I'm also going to link the video that I'm watching this video in the description. It's from Video Alice, and he made a video on this and on this topic. Now first of all, if you want to install this style, you're gonna need to install Stylus first. However, I already have it installed, so I'm just going to go straight to the style. And it will take you to this page. Now you can see it looks accurate, right? So you want to click install. If you don't have Stylus installed, click yes Stylus first, and then once you install it, you then click install. However, I'm just going to straight install it. And it will take you to the Stylus page if you have it installed. So now you want to click install style right here. As the style is installed, and as you can see, it will automatically revert back to the old YouTube UI for you, so you don't have to refresh. However, I like this better, so I'm just going to stick with this. However, yeah, so that's how you revert back to the old YouTube UI. So with that, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys